Right now at 6, an emotional day in court, the second day in a row in the trial of Cory Bigsby.
The testimony of a 7-year-old boy is now on the record. What does he remember about the death of his brother? Good evening and thank you for joining us. You can imagine what it was like for the jury to hear a boy talk about him trying to wake up his 4-year-old brother and not being able to do so.
That's what the brother of Codi Bigsby had to talk about in front of the court today. It comes during an emotional roller coaster of a case against Cory Bigsby. He's charged in the disappearance and death of his son, Codi. It comes on the second day of testimony in this high-profile case. 10 on Your Side was there for all of it. Our Chris Horn joins us live from Hampton with more. Chris?
Lena, earlier this afternoon, we had the property manager where they lived in Buckrow. She said there was nothing wrong with the back door. Now, police have testified that Cory Bigsby said that there was something wrong with the back door, and that was a possibility that Codi could have run away out that back door. However, as you mentioned earlier, the jury was riveted on a 7-year-old boy, the older brother of Codi, who talked about what happened. The oldest of the 4 brothers told the prosecution that Cory Bigsby would spank Codi often. Bigsby reported 4-year-old Codi missing in January 2022, but he was never found. Codi's brother said he found him lying on his left side on a bed in their Buckrow townhome. The child described purple bruises and a red face on his little brother, but his eyes remained open. That testimony prompted sobs from the gallery, and the 7-year-old started to cry himself. He said he tried to get Codi to respond, shaking him several times. "I was thinking he was dead," Codi's older brother said. He then testified that his father said there's nothing wrong with Codi. The 7-year-old believed that that was a lie. He testified that he was 4 years old the last time he saw Codi. If true, that would place Codi's death months before Cory Bigsby reported him missing. On cross-examination, though, the child was less clear and consistent. He got dates mixed up and could not recall a conversation with a social services worker even after he was shown video of that conversation. Timeline is crucial because the prosecution alleges that Cory Bigsby killed Codi in the summer of 2021. In the 7-year-old's conversation with the social services worker, he said he remembered seeing Codi wearing a Superman costume at Halloween, but it was not absolutely certain which year he was referring to. Now, during his 2 hours and 15 minutes of testimony, he was shown pictures of himself with his father, Cory, at Busch Gardens. He said those pictures were taken after the last time he saw Codi lying in that bed, him unable to revive Codi, so badly beaten. Then this afternoon, a detective verified that those pictures were taken in July of 2021, a month after the Commonwealth alleges that Cory Bigsby killed Codi. We're live in Hampton. Chris Horn, 10 on Your Side.
Some difficult details to hear today. Chris, thank you. You can see all of our coverage of the search for Codi Bigsby anytime on Wady.com.